Howdy folks. Today I'm looking at moving the push rod from the x-axis gantry there down to connecting to the y-axis down here. I'm actually going to put it on the other side over here, but just it's easy enough to mirror it once I start designing it. I wanted to do my prototype over here to see how it compared with the other one. But anyway, so this is what I've come up with so far. All right. So if that is attached in the back and has the post sitting on top of the upper right, the back right, when it's on the other side of the machine, it's going to have to be the back left, but you get the idea. And the post coming down needs to be at least as long as the pen cap travel to prevent the other pens from running into it. But I think I can be a little bit creative there. I can actually raise it up fairly high without it being a problem, I don't think. So I'll probably move it up, maybe a centimeter above before it even touches, just so I have plenty of room to get the pens off the paper and ensure, even with like really wrinkly paper, I'm not going to be dragging the pens over it when they're traveling over to the changer. So yeah, I guess this is about what I wanted to show you right now, and I will ping back when I have a little more design and I have a bit of a template printed up. All right, we'll see you in the next one.